Before you can start to run tests, you will need to create a test plan. A test plan is only available to users who have administrator or manager roles. Check that you are in the correct project. Select the Edit Test Plan icon. Select Add. Enter the plan name. Select a manager. Press Save. The new plan will be highlighted. Close the test plan editor. After a plan has been created, the test cases belonging to the project you are working on will be displayed in the plan's selected test cases. Select the plus icon, which will expand all the branches so that you can easily see all the child nodes associated with the parent requirements. Select the requirements checkbox, and this will select all the test cases associated with that requirement. You can individually select sub-requirements and functions in the same way. It is also possible to deselect nodes that you do not want included in the test plan. After you have selected the test cases you want to include in the test plan, select Save. When a test case is included as part of a test plan, the requirements checkbox is ticked. This indicates that somewhere within the requirement a test case is selected. If you expand the requirement, the selected test cases are visible. The test plan history shows how many test cases have been selected for the plan. If you need to edit a plan, open up the test plan editor. As with creating a test plan, only an administrator or manager role can rename a test plan. To show you how to delete or deactivate a test plan, I'm going to go and create additional test plans. Only an administrator can deactivate or delete a test plan. Select the Edit Test Plans icon. It is not possible to delete or deactivate the currently selected test plan. A plan that has not been used needs to be selected. If you delete a test plan, all the test runs and defects associated with that plan will also be deleted. If you deactivate a test plan, you remove it from active use and it is grayed out in the test plan editor. It is no longer visible in the plan drop-down list. To reactivate a plan, open up the Edit Test Plans, select the plan you want to reactivate, and select Reactivate. The test plan page also contains forecasting parameters which help to keep track of the plan's progress. It is these parameters which provide the metrics contained on the dashboard page. It is optional if a start and complete date are entered. If a date is selected, it must fall within the project start and completed dates. The forecasting parameters contains more options that can be customized. These include including or excluding working on Saturdays and Sundays, the past test goal rate. The yellow alert will show a yellow status when the project is 5 or more days behind schedule. The red alert will show a red status when the project is 10 or more days behind schedule. Setting an expected defect rate, how many tests will be run per hour, how many hours will be spent testing per day, and how many testers will be assigned to the project. To assist with forecasting parameters, there are planning tools which can be launched from the small calculator icon to the right of the forecasting parameters. The planning tool can assist in forecasting the completion date, the estimated pass rate, the number of resources needed, the estimated completion date based on the number of testers. The planning tool will forecast or estimate the information that is needed after the known information is filled in.